Today's video is going to we are going to cover single और default. गाइस फाइनली एक सीरीज हमारे सीरीज खत्म होने वाली है, वो है हमारी लिंक्यू की सीरीज। आखिरी वीडियो है लिंक्यू का। फाइनली यार इतने सालों में एक ऐसी सीरीज होगी जो खत्म होने वाला है। बाकी कोई भी सीरीज कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा बहुत पेंडिंग है उसमें, वो सब में पेंडिंग वाला है। आज इस बार मैं सोचा है कि पेंडिंग वाली सीरीज पहले खत्म करूँ instead of starting some other series. So our priority first is LINQ. LINQ is going to covered completely in this video. It's going to be a last video of LINQ. Then we will be covering this Python series, because Python, some of the videos are pending, around 40 to 50 videos are still pending. But the course that I have completed, till the videos that I have covered, the topics that I have covered in Python, is that most of the paid courses provide you. After that, they don't provide you the difficult topics, or you can say like topics that you will not be using so frequently. But being a free course, I will be providing all the topics that is available in Python. So some of the topics, like around 40 to 50 topics, are be pending that I'm going to cover soon after this link to series. So one more thing, like till the time, like whatever topics I have covered in Python, that is going to be a very important topic. If you have knowledge of till that topic only, you will be able to solve the DSA questions very easily. It does not matter. And DSA, when we are saying DSA series will be ending when, DSA series is an endless series, because there are so much of questions available in GFG, Lead Code, or Coding Ninjas. So we are going to cover most of the questions here. If you talk about paid course, they will just provide you a limited number of questions, around 200 or max to max 250 questions. But we are not strict to 250 questions. We are going to cover endless. It is an endless series, because already I am covering upon the important questions that are mostly asked in most of the interviews that is going to be completed soon. But after that, I've started the company wise filter as well. Like I've started with the visa series. Visa, around 10 to 15 questions are pending. Then I will be going to LinkedIn. Similarly, like Amazon, Google, Flipkart, whatever questions are there, Morgan Stanley, whatever questions are available in this what you can say GFG, we will be covering that. And similarly, we are going to going to cover upon, like we are also covering the 50 series. Like we are started the 350 series. Similarly, we will be covering the DP as well as binding, because these are the topics, so important topics. If I talk about the priority, let's talk about the priority. Then we are going to cover this link you. So if you want to skip this, you can skip it. Such a timeline and check out like where I'm going to start the video. Seriously, but I will add the text there, like from where this video will be starting. Let me tell you the priorities. First priority is like priority one. There you have to learn array and linked list. So if I'm talking about array, like there everything is going to come, like array, strings, searching, sorting, everything is going to cover there. And linked list. In priority two, what you are going to cover? DP and trees. If I am talking about DP, first you have to cover the recursion and pattern, and then going to DP. If you talk about paid course or most of the courses, what you will get directly, they will solve the question in bottom of DB. That is not at all recommended, because if you are learning from there, you will not be able to understand a single thing. Simple. Just you are wasting your time. Don't watch the videos like that. Videos, you are wasting your damn time, because I did that. I did that. I did that, and at last I found nothing. I was not able to learn a single thing. Then I what? If you want to solve a DP question, first you have to learn the recursion. Solve within the recursion, then go by DP, then bottom up, then memorization, then sorry, memorization already there. Memorization DP is already there. Then bottom up बोला, फिर उसके बाद space optimization. This is the way, standard way. But most people don't follow. If I talk about paid courses also, most of the paid courses not follow. Most of the free courses not follow. But we are going following that. That's most important. If I talk about a priority three, there you have to learn stack, queue, and heap up. That kind of stuff. Stack, queue, heap up. Uh, and last priority four, that is not recommendable to study, but you should have a basic knowledge. I would say, if whatever basic questions that I'm covering in the season, kind of DSA 2.0 season 2 or kind of DSA 2.0, you can follow that graph and tries. That's coming to a priority four. Similarly, like this is the priority like you have to follow. And let's start today's video. Single or default. What that single or default? Single means क्या मेरा सिंगल एलिमेंट है? नहीं है सिंगल एलिमेंट, एक्सेप्शन देगा। सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में सिंगल एलिमेंट है तो दिखाएगा, नहीं तो फिर जीरो। यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखूं, आंसर वन कर देता हूँ, एमबी डॉट सिंगल, ये सिंगल एलिमेंट है, राइट लाइन आंसर वन। एक्सेप्शन आएगा, एक्सेप्शन आएगा क्योंकि सिंगल एलिमेंट है नहीं यार, ये it's having the other elements, it's having more than 2 elements. That's the reason it is going to be show an exception here. सिंगल मतलब क्या, सिंगल एक एलिमेंट ज्यादा एलिमेंट है? अब ऑब्वियसली एक एलिमेंट ज्यादा एलिमेंट है, सिंगल में एक्सेप्शन दिखाएगा। ठीक है, तो सिंगल में एक्सेप्शन दिखाने वाला है इस वाले में। तो सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट करोगे तो क्या आएगा? अनएक्सपेक्टेड। हाँ, इस तरह से अगर मैं यहाँ पे कर दूं आंसर 1, यार ये तो मुझे यहाँ पे इस कॉमन करता हूँ। अगर मैं एमबी डॉट सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट करूँ तो मुझे क्या आंसर आने वाला? मैं रन करता हूँ यहाँ पे 10 में आया, सिंगल एलिमेंट ज्यादा एलिमेंट है यार यहाँ पे। तो आज मैं सोच रहा हूँ लिंक के जितने भी वीडियोस पेंडिंग है एडिटिंग के लिए, वो सारे मैं एडिट कर दूं। स्काला का भी थोड़ा रुकते हैं। स्काला का मैंने 2-3 वीडियो कल रात को एडिट किया। आई फील लाइक मैं रात को 2 बजे उठ गया था एडिट करने के लिए, 2 से 4। अब मैं इसको एडिट कर देता हूँ और इसको भी एक्सेप्शन दिखाया, मैं भी दिखाया एरर, बस सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में भी एरर दिखा रहा है। जीरो दिखाना चाहिए पर जीरो दिखा नहीं रहा है, मेरे को एक्सेप्शन दिखा रहा है। कांट से अब वो कुछ और ये करते हैं, इसको मैं कमेंट आउट कर देता हूँ सिंगल। ठीक है, एक और नया वेरिएबल बनाता हूँ, वेरिएबल भी कर देता हूँ, एमबी डॉट सिंगल करते हैं। यार ये कर दिखाया, एमबी 1 कर देते हैं और यहाँ पे मैं एक लिस्ट, यहाँ पे सिर्फ मैं एक डाला, बाकी ये जो है ना इतना, ये भी मैं बंद कर देता हूँ। यार सीपी आएगा, अब रन करते हैं। मेरे ख्याल से आपको डेटा आना चाहिए। 1 डेटा है, सिंगल है, सिंगल एलिमेंट। ठीक है, अगर सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट भी करूं मैं यहाँ पे, सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट क्यों नहीं काम करना चाहिए। अगर मैं एक और चीज करता हूँ, ठीक है, वार आंसर इक्वल टू, थोड़ा सा करते हैं ना, एमबी डॉट सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट। सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट काम नहीं कर रहा है यार, तो दिक्कत कर रहा है मेरे को। यहाँ पे x टेंड्स टू ग्रेटर देन, यहाँ पे आंसर में आना चाहिए मेरे को सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में आंसर, मतलब सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में भी एक्सेप्शन पास कर रहा है। नो, क्या दिक्कत है यार इनका सीरियसली। अगर सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में कोई दिक्कत है या फिर कुछ चेंज हो गया, फिर कंपैरिजन में डिफिकल्ट है, डिफेक्ट है, आई कांट से। बट सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में जनरली ये होता है कि जीरो आंसर आ गया अगर मैच नहीं कर रहा है। हाँ, जीरो आ गया, बट उस वाले में क्या दिक्कत होता है पता नहीं चल रहा था। देखा यहाँ पे दिक्कत नहीं कर रहा, यहाँ पे क्या दिक्कत कर रहा था इस वाले में, देखोगे ना, एमबी डॉट सिंगल डिफॉल्ट करेंगे यार, टू 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 दिमाग खराब कर रहा है। इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे करेंगे और मैं अगर इसी को कर देता हूँ, यहाँ पे वार करता हूँ, ठीक है, आंसर में 1 करते हैं। अब कुछ 2 आ गया था, तो इसमें मेरे को सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट है ना, एमबी डॉट सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट, सिंगल नहीं है यार, ज्यादा एलिमेंट है। बट आई थिंक मेरे को जीरो आना चाहिए आंसर, बट जीरो नहीं आ रहा है इस वाले कंडीशन में। आई डोंट नो क्या दिक्कत है, या फिर सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में कुछ और पैरा कुछ चीजें होती है। एक तो ये दिक्कत करता है इतना ज्यादा। सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में क्या होता है थोड़ा बता देता हूँ आपको। द सेम एज सिंगल एक्सेप्ट दैट इट रिटर्न्स अ डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू ऑफ a specified generality type instead of throwing an exception if no element for or a for the specified condition. However, it throw invalid exception if it found more than one element for the specified condition in the collection. मतलब समझो यार, इसका मतलब समझो। सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट में क्या हुआ, मेरा क्या ना, मेरा एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट है ज्यादा एलिमेंट है। अगर कंडीशन इससे ज्यादा एलिमेंट है तो एक्सेप्शन नहीं थ्रो करेगा, बट कब एक्सेप्शन नहीं थ्रो करेगा, जो इंस्टेड ऑफ थ्रोइंग एन एक्सेप्शन इफ नो एलिमेंट फॉर्म अंडर द स्पेसिफाइड कंडीशन, कोई एलिमेंट मैच नहीं कर रहा तब वो एक्सेप्शन, वो एक्सेप्शन वहां पे एक्सेप्शन नहीं करेगा। जैसे यहाँ पे सिंगल डिफॉल्ट में यहाँ पे x x ग्रेटर देन 40, चाहे 40 ग्रेटर देन नहीं है तो उस केस में जीरो दिखाया। बट यहाँ पे सिंगल एलिमेंट बोल रहा था फाइंड करने के लिए, बट भी एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट मुझे मिल गया तो मुझे एक्सेप्शन देगा, मुझे वो जीरो नहीं देगा, एक्सेप्शन देगा। ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट था। सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट कब इस्तेमाल करना है, सिंगल इस्तेमाल करना है। तो सिंगल और डिफॉल्ट यार अगर एक ही एलिमेंट है तो मुझे इस तरह से आप कर सकते हो इसके लिए, बट जनरली हम लोग फर्स्ट और डिफॉल्ट ही होता है या फिर लास्ट और डिफॉल्ट यूज होता है। बाकी ये था लिंक्यू सीरीज। नाउ वी हैव एंडेड द लिंक्यू सीरीज। पिछले साल स्टार्ट हुआ 2022 में, आज अब 2024 आने वाला है, 2023 भी बीत रहा है। मैंने इतने दिनों क्या किया, मैंने क्यू सीरीज क्यों कंटिन्यू क्यों नहीं किया, because we were covering all the other threes. We started the Angular series, we have started the React series, we have started the data engineering series that is going to be absolutely free of cost. And if you talk about that, is far better than the paid courses because we are providing a bit extra thing. We will be providing the R series as well, no one else is providing in case of paid course. We are providing a separate DSA series absolutely free of cost, where it's when it comes to paid courses you will not be getting that. We are providing everything in the latest version that you might not get in your paid course, seriously. And paid course, what else you will getting, we are already covered the Azure series as well. If you talk about Azure series, you have to pay extra 1 lakh rupees, approx 1 lakh rupees for an Azure data engineering course. And data engineering course is different, that will cost you around 40 to 50,000. In short, you have to spend around 2 lakh, 1 lakh 40,000, 50,000. And if you are in advance, if you are also running the AWS data engineering, like if you want to learn it, they are also like around 1 lakh, so if approx 3 lakhs approx. And GCP also are not covered. So what we are doing, we have already covered AWS Azure data engineering courses, being Azure Synapse. Synapse is not available in most of the paid courses, but we are providing. We have covered PySpark, we have covered Databricks, we have covered Data Factory. We are also going to cover Data Factory real-time scenarios. We are covering Event Hub, Service Bus, Logica. That was not covered in the paid courses, guys. That is so much excluded from the paid courses. If I talk about, we have the data engineering course as well. Like, we are uploading the videos continuously. We are currently uploading the Scala. After that, we will be uploading the Scoop, Hadoop, HBase, Hive, SQL also. SQL 50 series we have started. That is not available in the paid courses. They will not provide you the SQL, but we are going to cover that. We are going to cover Airflow in the latest version. We are going to cover Kafka also in the latest version. We are also covering the infrastructure, like how you can set up your own machine. In the paid courses, mostly you will get like a Cloudera machine that is outdated. Most of the things are not supported nowadays in Cloudera. So, but we are providing the Ubuntu machine, how to set up your own environment in the Ubuntu machine. If you are facing any sort of issues, how to figure out like how to get the solution of that. That also we have covered in most of the videos, and that will be uploading. That I'm going to upload it soon. That is uploading Scala series. Every day we are uploading the video of Scala, then a Scoop, everything going to be, we are editing that, and will be available. Similarly, we will be covering about the AWS data engineering as well. That is also going to be free of cost, and GCP later on, that is also going to be a free of cost. We have also covered ASP.NET MVC.NET framework series. There we have developed e-commerce application using ASP.NET MVC and jQuery. That is similarly equivalent to a Flipkart website or an Amazon website. Similarly, that I have covered. We are covering the ASP.NET Core database series, where we are covering the hotel management system. That's going to be a very good project. If I compare with this Ola, sorry, not Ola, it can be a Oyo Hotel, or it can be magicbridge.com, a simple site which will contain hotel hotels as well as uh, properties as well. Angular series, we are also started an Angular series where we are covering a gym management system with Angular with mean stack. We are also covering the React series. React, that's also an series that is ongoing series, where we are covering the Wickham, that is a course management system. If you talk about the various sites are there, lead code, or you can GFG. GFG can be a very good example of that. GFG site where all the courses and questions are there. Simple website we are covering. We are making how we can create using the React JS. And after that, if I talk about CSS series, also was continued. Like some other videos of CSS pending, that I will be completing soon. LINQ also we started, and that's the reason the LINQ series is not completed now. It's the last video. If I talk about what else, Azure DevOps also we started, and we ended the Azure DevOps series. The Azure DevOps series was the first series that we completed the fully. And if I talk about Jira also, we are going to start. We are going to start Vue.js as well. Vue.js I'm planning to start with some another framework. Guess what framework? Mean stack. What many people say, mean is a trend. Mean is not a trend. Next is a trend. So we are going to start the next series as well soon. Mean stack. What is that mean stack? It's MongoDB, Express, Angular, these things. So Angular we are covering, and MongoDB and these things also we are covering. So these are the so much of series. If you check out our series videos is there in our playlist section, you will get a lot of series available. So these are the series that we are. That's the reason it was so delayed, this LINQ series. So we have completed all the LINQ series. I hope the LINQ videos are very helpful for you. Like, you will be getting, you will be able to achieve make a very good applications using the HP or MVC or torrent core or C#. Is that a trend? No, that's not a trend. Nowadays we have most of the framework like Next.js, and mostly the Next.js is used. So I'm going to start a Next.js series soon. But before that, I'm going to complete the ongoing series. That is, I will be focusing on now Python and Angular and React and data engineering series, that I am going to complete first. Then I am going to cover on Python, Angular, and React seriously. And as for the code, there's a lot of things are going to cover. So once one of the series is completed, I'm going to focus on this HTML code as well. And CSS, something is pending. CSS can be done easily into 2 to 3 days. So let's see whether to complete CSS or Python or whatever language first. Angular also, most of the things are pending. So let's complete this video यार, end this video यार. Seriously, I hope video you like the video. मैं इतना ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में क्यों बात किया पता नहीं. खैर मैंने स्टार्टिंग में हिंदी में बात की थी, इंग्लिश में बात किया, हिंदी में बात की, कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा यार, यूट्यूब कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा यार, हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करे कैप्शन को कि इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करे। तो वीडियो करने करते हैं अभी हम।
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.